5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 100. 6 right over jump and long 6 right tightens to 5. 5 left, narrows over crest, 3's outside. Into 6 right, straight 30 over crest, and K long 4 left, don't cut. Into turn 3 right, narrows. Into 6 left, narrows, straight 70. And 4 left over crest, narrows. 30, turn 5 right, don't cut, into jump, 30. 6 left and long 3 right, don't cut. And 6 left over crest, and K long 2 right, don't cut, split. Into long 4 left, opens, 50. 6 left, keep in, and 5 right, into turn 2 right. And 6 left over crest, opens, 5 right, cut. 6 left, cut into long 5 right tightens and 3 left. 36 left over jump, keep in, straight 100. 6 right cut and 6 left over crest and long 6 right. And long crest 30k, long 5 left, split line. Into 5 left and long 4 right, don't cut. Into 6 left, into K long 2 right, don't cut. Into 5 left and long 4 right. Into K 6 left, tightens to 5 around 3 and turn 3 right, don't cut. And 6 left over crest, opens long. Into caution, 5 left over big jump and turn 2 left. Turn 2 right. And long 6 left 30, long 3 right tightens, don't cut. Into 6 left over jump, into long 5 left, split. 30k, 5 right, narrows. Into crest and dip, into caution, 6 left over jump, and crest and long 6 right. 50, turn 5 left, into 4 left. And 6 right opens, into caution, 5 right over jump, keep in. Into long 3 left, pitch outside. And 6 right. Into K 4 right over jump, keep in. Into 3 left, don't cut. And jump 30, long 3 left, don't cut. Into long 3 right opens to 4. And 3 right at fence. 6 left and 4 right over crest, keep in. And 5 left and turn nearly right. 50 over finish to stop.